here at the Mizuno flagship store. Mizuno is well known for a ton of their sports, baseball, golf, badminton a bit. And yeah, we're gonna go check it out. I'm really curious to see. There's 7 levels here, by the way. So yeah, super interested, and let's go check it out. Level 1, men's apparel. Level 2, ladies and a coffee shop. Level 3, running, athletics, swimming, football, volleyball, and I don't know what form is. 4, baseball, judo, boxing, tennis, table tennis, badminton, and a team order counter. So it means you can order your own shirts. A baseball level dedicated floor, walking, golf apparel, and a golf dedicated floor. So let's go check it out. And Mizuno shoes. So I'm particularly interested in level 3, which is the volleyball level. So these are some of the new arrivals. Sales here. Some caps. So these pants are they fit really nice. They got pockets, which I love. Really nice, really comfortable. Pretty good. Gonna grab them. And I like this jacket as well, so I'm gonna grab both. So we're heading up to level 2 now, which I think is the women's section and a steamer espresso, which I'm assuming is a coffee shop of some sort. So this is the women's section. I'm not gonna check it out because I'm a random dude with a camera just taking videos in the women's section. So I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna check out the volleyball section because that's something I'm curious about. So it's tailored as well. You've got for beginner shoes, for middle distance, for short distance. Didn't know there was like tailored shoes for that. Then you have the volleyball section here. So I've actually got a couple of these. Actually got my friend to buy a couple of these recently. Then you have the volleyball shoes range here. So you have the Wave Lightning Wide Edition. I actually have wide feet, so that's actually nice to have. So this is the Mizuno football section. Do not know much about football. Yeah, we have a little rugby section as well. I guess rugby's getting more popular in Japan. So different types of shoelaces. I actually just looked at this one, so just going back to the volleyball section. Non-slip shoes cleaner. You slip a lot on volleyball courts, especially if they're dusty. So a little pickup there. Gonna grab this. The pants. And some signatures from, I'm assuming, famous people. Of famous footballers. Cool. So that's level 3. So now we're gonna check out level 4, which is baseball apparel, judo, boxing, tennis, table tennis, badminton, and team water counter. So we're coming to level 4 now, which is all those sports I just mentioned. The ones I'm particularly interested in is badminton because that's the only other sport I play in that section. But with so many sports, I'm assuming it's not going to be that much stuff. I think baseball would be the biggest one here. So you got baseball stuff here, order counter. So I'm assuming this is where you can order your team shirts and stuff, which is a pretty cool addition. I'm assuming though, just based off the name. So you got baseball stuff here, baseball clothing, warmer jackets, baseball wear. This is judo. It's kind of cool. Didn't know there's stuff for judo. Some signatures and stuff over there. I'll just zoom in, famous signatures. Potentially athletes. So that's judo. I think this is still baseball because I see a baseball mitt or glove over there. So I'm assuming some of the stuff is still baseball. And yeah, I can see baseball pictures up there. Oh, baseball pictures up there. So that's kind of cool. Here's a lift if you need it. So you got some bags here, sports bags. Japan has a really interesting variant of a sports bag. This is what you call a sports bag in Japan. It's quite square. Definitely not what I would normally call a sports bag, but still looks nice. Some different variations of sports bags down here. And you have the infamous badminton section, which is literally 2 rackets. Actually, no, I'm kidding. It's got more than that. So you've got the AquaSpeed 6, which I've never actually heard of. I did not even realize Mizuno even did badminton rackets. You also got tennis rackets. I did know that Mizuno does do some kind of badminton shoe. I didn't know they did rackets, but I do know about the shoes. So Mizuno, I think she's #1 in women's or some kind of. Wait, no, is she? I can't remember who that is. But either way, so he's got table tennis shoes as well. I'm assuming that's a athlete signing that. So kind of cool. You also can try out some of the rackets here, so you can test them out, get the feel of the weight. So in badminton especially, you have different weights and stuff. So you've got 3U, 4U. 4U is a bit lighter than 3U, so you can really test it out. You kind of do need to test it out, especially with strings and stuff. It's actually quite useful to test rackets out like that. So yeah, pretty nice addition to have. We also have a stringing device. So yeah. So this is what they call underwear, which I'm assuming is what you wear underneath your sport clothing. We don't really do that in Australia, probably because it's too hot. I guess in Japan it's cold enough that you probably could do this. So yeah, a little video explaining, I guess, promoting it. Kind of does look like thermals, but for sports. So the next section is all baseball and softball. I mean, baseball is huge in Japan, so there's no wonder they have one whole section about baseball. That is cute. Wow. So this is so many gloves. I don't know anything about baseball. I swung a baseball bat at round 1, and that's my knowledge. So you got different types of gloves here. It's pretty cool. Then you got some bats over here. Once again, don't know anything about bats, but I do know that's a lot of bats. So we're now in the walking golf apparel foot care station. Would you like to get insoles? So this is more hikes, outdoor shoes. Didn't know Mizuno did actually hiking outdoor shoes, to be honest. I swear they do everything. So this is shoe stuff, shoe creams, and other stuff. So you got outdoor clothing here. I guess if you need outdoor clothing, you come here and grab it. It's a nice looking cap, actually. So this is a few golf and stuff here. Not much. Are those thermals? Mizuno does thermals. Interesting. I mean, a lot of people get stuff for thermals from Uniqlo, but I mean, that's still kind of cool. definitely looks like Uniqlo packaging though. Got masks as well here. You have these weight things and some knee pads and stuff. So when I said golf, they actually have a full section on golf. That was just a partially little section. So this is the full section for golf. I didn't know golf had shoes. I mean, probably do. I mean, every sport has shoes. So they have golf bags and stuff here. And you got golf clubs, lefty models. It's kind of cool. They actually have a golf driving range to test out. There you go. So that's really cool. So you can try out different golfing clubs. And it even gives you a shot analysis. So I think if you play sports, there's probably something here for you, so definitely come check it out. Definitely a really cool flagship store. 8 levels, excluding the top one because it's an events level. 7 levels full of stuff. Definitely you can spend hours here if you play a lot of sports. Definitely come check it out. But I'm peacing out here. See you in the next video. Cheers.